24 hours to go for the counting day, and all eyes on Tamil Nadu's Coimbatore constituency, because this constituency is one of the most keenly watched constituencies. And as per the News 18 mega exit poll prediction, the VIP constituency, which is Coimbatore, is going to see a very close contest, and Annamalai in all probability has higher chances of winning, and Annamalai is likely to win Coimbatore as per the exit poll predictions by the News 18. In fact, Coimbatore is seen as a tri-cornered contest, and it's going to be a neck-and-neck fight between the DMK, the AIADMK and the BJP. In fact, DMK had fielded Ganapathy P. Rajkumar and the AIADMK had fielded Singai Ramachandran. BJP had fielded its heavyweight and star candidate Annamalai. In fact, as per the predictions by News 18, Annamalai has a likely chance to win as far as Coimbatore constituency is concerned. So Coimbatore is one of the constituencies that everyone is waiting to know the results, because Annamalai over the last 1 year had in fact held Yatra to talk about the achievements of the central government and also to attack the DMK, calling the DMK a corrupt party and a dynast party. Remember, Annamalai had released what he calls the DMK Files Part 1 and 2, alleging corruption against senior leaders of the DMK and also the family of DMK. So this is something that Annamalai had done, and even in his campaign he said that the BJP will make inroads. So all eyes on BJP's South mission and also Tamil Nadu in particular, because BJP star campaigners including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah had frequently visited Tamil Nadu, focused on constituencies like Coimbatore, saying that the BJP this time will definitely make inroads, will definitely win seats. And as per the News 18 mega exit polls, NDA is all set to win 1 to 3 seats, AIADMK 0 to 2 seats, and DMK between 36 and 39 seats. So whether the DMK will sweep elections or whether the BJP will make inroads, and as far as Coimbatore is concerned, it's a close contest, and whether Annamalai will make his debut and whether he will win, all eyes on Coimbatore, particularly as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned. With camera person Saravnan, this is Purnama Murli for CNN News 18.